Hey YouTube, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I've even saying those words. First, I want to thank everyone who already subscribed to my channel before I even had a video up. You the real one, okay? You are the real one. Yes. And we are going to do a fall inspired look. Okay, it is time to bring out your cozy sweaters. It's time to bring out your fall makeup and your dark lips. Okay, everything we love about the fall besides the cold weather. If you would like, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. First, I've already primed my skin with the Smashbox Photo Finish. This is my go-to, so I've been using this for years. Perfection. It works for everything, everyday wear, and even like my pageant and stage wear. So I've already primed the skin, and I'm gonna get started now with the complexion. So I'm gonna be going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I've been using this for about 6 months. Great product. So after I've buffed that in with my beauty blender, what I like to do is go back in and just kind of touch up any areas I think need a little more attention. So I'm gonna do that next. Okay, so once I have my foundation on, I like to go in with my concealer. I just started using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep Sand. And then I also get in with my LA Girl Cosmetics Concealer, and that is in the color Fawn. Those are my two favorites. That's 4. And then you just blend to Jesus. Done. Now next, I am actually gonna go into my contour shade. I have recently been loving F16 by Revolution, Makeup Revolution. They are so affordable and their products are actually really high quality. This is more of like a warm shade. I like a warmer contour, and then I go in, well, cream contour, and then I go in with more of like a cool tone shade for the powder. So I'm just gonna dot this. So I'm actually gonna go set my face and do my brows off camera and then come back and we'll get started on the eye. So I've already done one eye off camera. I am gonna show you how to do this eye. I actually lost the footage on my last one because the camera died, but it's okay. Those are the real struggles of content creating. So let's get started on this eye. All right, so we're gonna get started on this eye. So first I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I'm going to use these orange shades right here just to give me a nice transition shade for the crease. And I'm gonna just use that using a fluffy blending brush. Next, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a deeper orange, which is this right here in the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. I am absolutely loving this palette, so that's what we're gonna do. Now on a smaller, more precise brush, I'm going into this brown shade right here just to kind of deepen up my crease. Now I'm going to take an even darker shade, probably one of these right here, just to go into the crease and define it a little more because I want that to still be there once I put on the concealer. Now I'm gonna go and cut the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with my eyeshadow base and I'm gonna mix a little bit of the shade, I think this is 00. Yeah, the shade 0 in, which is like a white, and that's gonna kind of intensify the pigmentation. If you are darker skinned and you want more pigmentation, you're gonna have to go with a lighter concealer. But if you are fair skinned, then you can just kind of stick with your shade or go a little bit lighter if you want more coverage. On a flat brush, and we're gonna start to cut it out. Okay, so now that the crease is cut, we're gonna go back in with some different shades. So I'm gonna go into, for the outer V, I'm gonna go into these darker shades down here. For the inner part, or the middle or center, I'm gonna go into these two shades. And then for the inner part of the eye, I'm gonna go into these two shades, which show up like a really, really bright, bright light. And then I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and go into those two lighter colors that I told you earlier. And the trick with this is that you have to blend the whole time that you're doing it. Like, these kind of eye looks don't just come out like perfect if you just slap the colors on. You have to blend them. Then I'm gonna go in with a flat kind of eyebrow style brush, and I'm gonna actually recut that crease. And this is just gonna give me the definition that I want so that everything just comes out really smooth. Now I'm gonna line my eye using the NYX liner. This is like the best liner ever. All right, so now that my eye is lined, I actually don't want to keep the wing. I'm actually gonna buff that out into the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna bring the eyeliner up a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna drag those same colors under the bottom of my lash line just to give it some more some more baboom. That sounds very technical. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on some lashes and then we will get on to the lips and highlighting. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on and I just put a little bit of bottom eyeliner on with some mascara, I am gonna go ahead and do my favorite part, which is highlight. And also we're gonna finish off the lips. So first for highlight, what I'm gonna do is spray some rose water. I typically use the Mario Badescu. It just depends on how I'm feeling that day, but this just is so hydrating and just nice. So I'm gonna go on with the rose water today. And then you get your church fan. Then I go in with my Carly Bible palette with BH Cosmetics. I have had this thing since, this is the very first one. I've had this thing forever, so I'm not gonna show it on camera, but we're gonna highlight using it. Okay, so next I'm going in with lips and then we will have finished off the look. I'm gonna actually take the lip pencil by MAC in the color Chestnut. This is my go-to. Then I'm gonna take the shade Naturally Transformed by MAC and pop that in the middle. And then lastly, I'm just gonna pop some gloss on top. This is Oyster Girl by MAC. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this completes the final look. I am so happy with how it turned out. It is so smoky and brown and just fall. Like, I feel so cozy, like hot chocolate. Yes. So yes, if you love this video, please give it a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget. I love you guys, and thank you for watching.